Hey guys, this is Cricket. I just wanted to come and show you what I got from Coffee Break Planner. I won their Monday night. Every Monday night they usually have a live feed and everybody gets a number, and as long as you stay till the end of the live feed, they use a little app and my number got picked. So yay! But this is what I won. These are their owls that they brought out. I am so excited because I love owls. So does my best friend. But these are the Halloween owls. Look how cute. I mean, how adorable are these? And I cannot wait to use these. That's why I wanted to go ahead and get these up. These are so stinking cute. Look, he's holding a pumpkin. Look, I love it. All right, and then here are your Christmas ones. Adorable. Holding the number 25. And here are just winter ones. So cute. And then here are your fall ones. Look, look, and look, look, look. How cute. I love it. And that one's holding a little turkey. So cute. Look at the little glasses. Oh my gosh. Adorable, adorable. I think those are glasses. Yep, they're glasses. Look how cute. All right, so I just wanted to do a real quick one and show you what I got, and to go check them out. I love this company. They're awesome. They're awesome people, and you will never be disappointed. I promise you that. So go check them out. I'll have their information down in the description below. Go check them out on Monday nights too. Check out PlannerNina_Cricket for information on when they have their live feeds and stuff, because I usually share them. Okay, talk with you soon. Bye-bye.